Okay, this is air conditioner fan speed resistor set. This is what actually controls the fan speed. You'll be going through different resistive coils here, and more of the coils of which it goes through, they are in series. I don't know if you can actually see that too well, but you've got your input voltage coming through there. You've got your thermal fuse there. Then it comes through this coil to this one, and that's that output terminal. Then it comes from here over to this output terminal. So you're adding that resistor and that resistor, and then after that it comes through this resistor coil to that output terminal. So if you were to go through all three of them, the resistance would be increased and your speed will be diminished. So the first of our questions is testing between terminals A and B. That's going to be testing the integrity of the thermal fuse. So we're going to set our digital multimeter, our DMM, on 200 ohms. There again, we're going to check our test leads, and we're good on that. So now we're going to go between A and B. And that's showing that it's open, which is indicating that that thermal fuse, that's B and that's A. That thermal fuse right there has failed, so this will not function at all with that failed. All right, the next question, from terminal A to C, which that's the opposite end of that thermal fuse, so we'll be testing the coils now. So we're going to go to terminal C and then terminal A. And you notice that it's 0.1, very low resistance. And the question asks, is it below 5 ohms? That is correct. Okay, now we're going to test between A and D, which is, you'll be going through two resistive coils. This one and this one. Now we've got 0.3 ohms. And the question asks testing between terminals A and D find to be below 1 ohm. That is correct. Now we're going to go from terminal A to D, which is, or E, which is a total of all three of the coils. And the question is asking, is resistance above 50 ohms? Nine-tenths of an ohm. So that's false.